In this video, let's learn how to add other story to my story on Instagram without mention. So if you are not mentioned in any story and you still want to add it to your own story, then there is no straight way of doing it. If you were mentioned in a story, you would have an option of add to your story on the bottom, but in the case of you not being mentioned, you'll need to take a screenshot if the story is a picture and then post it. Or if it is a video instead of a photo, what you can do is download these stories using a third-party website. So just open up the story that you want to add it to your own, tap on the three dots on the top right and tap on this option right here, and through this section you can see an option called copy link on the bottom. Once you copy this link of the story, you can open up your web browser and search for Instagram story download. As you search for this, these are some of the websites that you can use. For now, I'm going to choose the instasave.app. You can just paste in the URL in this given box and the exact story that they have added will be visible. Now you can tap on download image and download this video, or if it is a video, tap on download video and download the video onto your device. Once the video has been downloaded, now you can manually open up your story section on your Instagram and then post it. So this is the only way of doing it if you are not tagged or mentioned in any story. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be it for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.